Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P065A indicates a malfunction in the alternator charge generation, specifically termed ACG no charging malfunction. This error highlights problems associated with the alternator's ability to generate power effectively. The alternator is a crucial component located within the engine bay, connected to the engine's crankshaft by a drive belt. Its role is to convert mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy to power the vehicle's electrical systems and recharge the battery. If the alternator fails to charge the battery, this can lead to severe electrical issues and potential vehicle failure, especially if the battery depletes. Therefore, addressing this DTC promptly is essential for maintaining vehicle reliability. DTC P065A signifies an issue with the alternator's charging function. The alternator is responsible for maintaining the battery's charge by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. If it fails, the battery cannot maintain proper voltage levels, leading to vehicle malfunction. This DTC is confirmed when the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system detects an issue related to charging. The alternator is typically located near the front of the engine, driven by the engine's crankshaft through a belt. Understanding the alternator's function and location is vital when diagnosing the cause of this fault. The implications of this error can lead to unresponsive electrical systems, making it critical to address. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC P065A being triggered. A faulty alternator is the primary suspect, as it may fail to generate adequate voltage during operation. Drive belt issues could also contribute, as a worn or damaged belt might not properly drive the alternator, leading to insufficient charging. Additionally, if there are electrical connection problems, such as corroded terminals or loose wiring, this can interrupt the flow of electricity to or from the alternator. Each of these factors plays a critical role in the charging system's functionality, and identifying them is crucial for maintaining the vehicle's operational integrity. Therefore, a thorough investigation into these components is essential in addressing the DTC. When DTC P065A occurs, various symptoms may manifest, signaling an issue with the vehicle's charging system. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the battery warning light on the dashboard, which alerts the driver to potential electrical problems. Other symptoms could include noticeable electrical system failures, such as dimming lights or failure of electronic accessories, indicating that the battery is not receiving adequate charge. In more severe cases, the engine may stall due to insufficient electrical power for the fuel and ignition systems. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further mechanical failures and ensure the continued reliability of the vehicle. Addressing these symptoms promptly is critical to maintaining the vehicle's operational status. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P065A, start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This engages the onboard diagnostic system and prepares for a diagnostic check. Next, you will utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any stored DTCs, effectively resetting the system. After clearing the DTCs, switch the ignition to the off position, locking the vehicle temporarily. This process is crucial because it ensures that any previous error codes are removed from the system, allowing for a more accurate assessment when restarting the engine. Once this is complete, you can proceed with the next diagnostic steps, checking for any pending or confirmed DTCs that may reappear during testing. For the second step, you will again use the HDS to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs following the initial troubleshooting step. If DTC P065A appears as confirmed, this indicates that the system has reliably detected a malfunction that needs addressing. However, if DTC P065A does not appear, this may signal an intermittent issue, meaning the system is currently operating correctly. In the case of intermittent failures, you should inspect the alternator and the drive belt for any visible signs of wear or damage, as these could be the underlying issues that need to be resolved. The results from this step will guide the next actions, either confirming a need for further investigation or suggesting that the issue may not be present at this moment. In the third step, the condition of the drive belt must be thoroughly inspected, as it plays a vital role in the alternator's ability to generate charge. Check for signs of wear, such as cracks or fraying, which could affect the belt's functionality. The integrity of the drive belt is crucial. If it is in good condition, this points towards a faulty alternator as the culprit behind DTC P065A. In contrast, if any issues are found with the drive belt, it should be replaced to restore proper function. After assessing the belt, if it is fine, but the alternator still fails to operate properly, direct your focus on repairing or replacing the alternator itself. This step is critical to ensure that the charging system functions effectively and that the vehicle can maintain necessary power for operation. After completing repairs related to DTC P065A, it's crucial to conduct a final verification of the vehicle's charging system to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Start by testing the system under normal operating conditions to assess the alternator's functional output. Use the HDS again to check for any DTCs that may still be present in the system. If DTC P065A or any other charging-related codes reappear, this indicates that further investigation is required. Confirming that the battery and all associated electrical systems operate normally after the repair is essential for vehicle reliability. This final check enables you to ensure that the repairs made were effective and that the alternator is now charging the battery as intended, preventing future breakdowns. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues related to DTC P065A in the future. Regularly inspecting the drive belt for wear and tear can help identify potential problems before they lead to failure. Additionally, checking electrical connections for corrosion or loosening regularly can ensure that the alternator remains connected and capable of proper charging. Monitoring the alternator's performance and the overall charging system during routine maintenance checks can lead to early detection of inconsistencies that might cause future DTC triggers. Early intervention can minimize repair costs and extend the vehicle's longevity. Staying on top of these maintenance tasks is essential for overall vehicle health and reliability, ultimately reducing the risk of inconvenient breakdowns. In summary, DTC P065A indicates a specific alternator charging malfunction, which can lead to significant vehicle issues if left unaddressed. Understanding the underlying components involved, such as the alternator and drive belt, is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Following the prescribed troubleshooting steps ensures a systematic approach to diagnosing and resolving the issue. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance measures can safeguard against future problems, enhancing both vehicle reliability and longevity. Awareness of the symptoms associated with this code is critical for prompt action, ultimately contributing to a safer and more dependable driving experience. Addressing and understanding this DTC is fundamental to effective Honda vehicle maintenance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.